You flip a switch and a light turns on. Instantly. But have you ever really stopped to think about how that happens? Today, we're going to follow the absolutely incredible journey electricity takes, every single second, to make that happen. Let's dive in.
I mean, it seems so simple, doesn't it? You flip a switch and bam, there's light. But think about it. That electricity had to come from somewhere, probably miles and miles away. So how on earth does it get here in the blink of an eye?
Yeah, it feels like magic, but I promise you it's not. It's actually way cooler than that. It's an incredible adventure story. So let's follow our hero, we'll call it electricity, from the moment it's born all the way to your living room.
All right, every great adventure has a starting point, right? A birthplace. And for our hero, electricity, that journey begins in a pretty massive, powerful place.
It all kicks off right here, at a power plant. And honestly, the best way to think about it is like a giant kitchen, a place where electricity is cooked up before it gets sent out on its big trip.
And just like any good kitchen has a bunch of different recipes, power plants have all sorts of ways to make electricity. You know, most of them work by turning a giant wheel. It's called a turbine. You can do that by burning coal to create steam, using the wind to push it, or harnessing the force of falling water. Then you've got solar panels soaking up sunlight, or even nuclear plants using atomic energy. But here's the thing. No matter the recipe, the goal is always the same: generate that power.
Okay, so our hero, electricity, is officially born. But it can't just wander out of the power plant. Nope. It's got a really, really long trip ahead of it, maybe across the entire country. And it needs to get ready.
Think about it like this. If you wanted to send water through a super long garden hose, you'd need a ton of pressure to get it to the other end without it just dribbling out. Well, electricity is kind of the same. To travel hundreds of miles without losing its punch, it needs extremely high electrical pressure. We call that voltage. Getting that voltage way, way up is absolutely crucial because it drastically cuts down on how much energy gets wasted as heat along the way.
So how does it get this massive boost? It goes into this amazing machine called a step-up transformer. This thing is what gives our electricity the superpowers it needs for the long haul.
Now, when electricity first leaves the power plant, it's already packing a punch at around 11,000 volts. That sounds like a lot, right? But for a cross-country trip, it's just not going to cut it.
So that transformer takes all that energy and gets ready to crank it up.
All the way to a staggering 400,000 volts. Can you believe that? Sometimes it's even higher. That is the supercharge it needs to travel efficiently across hundreds of miles.
And that super high voltage electricity is now ready for its road trip on what we call the transmission grid. The easiest way to think of this is like the electricity superhighway. It's carried by those giant metal towers you see out in the countryside. It's only later, when it gets closer to us, that it'll move onto the smaller, local roads. You know, the distribution lines on the wooden poles in your neighborhood.
All right, our hero has been cruising on the highway, but 400,000 volts is, well, it's way too powerful and frankly way too dangerous for our towns and homes. So it's time to take an off-ramp and slow things down a lot.
And this is where substations come into play. You can think of them just like those off-ramps from the electrical highway. They're basically chuck points where the power is brought down to a safer level for local travel.
Inside these substations, you'll find step-down transformers, and they do the exact opposite of what we saw earlier. They start reducing that voltage in big steps. So they take it from that massive 400,000 volts, drop it down to something like 132,000, and then drop it again to about 11,000 volts to be sent out across the city.
Okay, we are so close now. The electricity has left the superhighway. It's cruising on the local roads in your neighborhood. This is the final leg of its incredible journey.
I bet you've seen these things your whole life without really thinking about them. Those little gray boxes or cylinders up on the utility poles? That's a distribution transformer, and it has one of the most important jobs of all, performing that last, crucial step to make the power safe enough to actually enter your home.
Because even when it's on your street, that power is still at 11,000 volts. That would fry your TV or phone charger in an instant.
So this humble little gray box takes that powerful current and performs one last magical transformation, bringing it all the way down to a safe, usable 230 volts. That is the perfect voltage for pretty much everything in our homes, from our lights and laptops to our coffee makers and TVs. So let's just quickly run through that entire epic journey one more time. First, power is made at a power plant. Then its voltage gets stepped up so it can travel long distances. It zips across the country on transmission lines. Next, substations reduce that voltage.
Distribution lines then carry that power through our neighborhoods. A little transformer on a pole makes it home safe. Then the power enters your house through a meter, goes to a distribution board that splits it up, and finally runs through the wires in your walls, just waiting for you to flip a switch and complete the journey. Wow.
You know, if all those terms ever feel a bit much, just bring it back to that simple water analogy. The transformers, they're just pressure adjusters. The big transmission lines are like long, wide pipes for the highway. Your home wiring, that's just the small pipes. And the switch on your wall, that's the tap, just waiting for you to turn it on. So, next time you walk into a room and flip that switch, maybe you'll see it a little differently. It's not just a light bulb turning on, it's the grand finale, the instantaneous completion of an absolutely epic journey that's been happening every single second, just for you.